Good day everyone in YouTube land. Today I'll be creating a new dish for you. I'll be creating Jamaican style Ackee and Saltfish with some adjustment in the preparation. How I present it to you today. In addition to the Ackee and Saltfish, I'll be making some Jamaican style festivals and dumplings. And here are my ingredients for the festival. I'll have flour and I have cornmeal and sugar. Will be going inside of the festival, along with cinnamon powder, just for the flavor and for the taste. And for the Ackee and Saltfish, there is a saltfish. In Spanish they call it bacalao, and in Jamaica they call it saltfish, dry saltfish. You have different types, so this is one type. Take a good look at it. So this will be what I will be using to create the Ackee and Saltfish today, along with bell peppers and onions, scallion, tomato, thyme, and hot pepper. And of course, the next main ingredient will be the Ackee. This has already been prepared in the can, so I'll be just taking it from the can to add to the fish and the assortment of seasoning and the preparation. So this is my arrangement for today. So I'm going to get going. I'm going to wash the fish off and I'm going to boil it to extract the salt from it, and then clean it up and then fry it up and then get ready to put on the finishing stages on it. And meanwhile, I'm going to need the cornmeal and flour and all the other ingredients over here. Of course, I have the cinnamon, which I showed you before. A little bit of salt will be going in the festival dough, not in the saltfish. And black pepper will be going in the saltfish, and baking powder will be going in the festival, and of course the oil to fry. Alright, I'm washing off the fish, the saltfish, with some warm water. Hot water actually, the water is hot from the pipe. So it's hot water. The pipe is very, very hot. I have to be careful so I don't burn my hands. So I'm scalding it off, and then I'm going to boil it. To cook out the salt, extract the salt out, and then process it, clean it up, get rid of all the bones, and then fry it up, and then add the seasoning to it. Alright, I'm adding the fish in the pot. So I'm going to boil it. Alright, the fire is on. this is the flour and the cornmeal that I'll be using to make the dough for the festival. And in addition, the sugar. So you have cornmeal, you have sugar, and you have flour. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt in there. And I'm going to add some cinnamon inside of it, because I'm making festivals. So there's the cinnamon on top of the flour and the cornmeal. And of course, I'm going to use water to knead. And last but not least, baking powder. I'm going to add 2 spoons because I want it to come out real fluffy and nice. So that's my baking powder. Alright, so I'm blending cornmeal, the flour, the sugar, and the cinnamon, and the baking powder, and the salt. Blending it. And then next, I'll add the water. And then knead it into a dough. Normally you use your hands, but I just don't want to get all that mess on my hands so early into the process. So I'm using the water and the spoon, and then I'll finish it off with my hands. Use my hands to knead it to bring it together. Alright, so now I'm going to attempt to use my hands. My hands are clean, they've been washed. Alright, so this is the dough. So this is now ready to make my festivals and my dumpling. That I'm going to fry the festivals in. Alright, that's the fish over there. That's the saltfish. Boiling the salt out, extracting the salt. This is what I'm going to put it cook with the salt, with the ackee. That would be the second main ingredient for the ackee and saltfish. And this will be pot for the festival. Now I'm going to put my olive oil inside of the pot. I'm going to use a lot of it because I need to make sure that the vegetables that they're fried properly and the oil is reusable. Alright, these are vegetables, no particular fancy shapes here. These are Jamaican style vegetable. Now American style. All different shapes. They look like egg roll. But they're not egg rolls. Kind of egg rolls, but they're not. Alright, these are the variety of different shapes, festival doughs that I've created here. So now I'm going to get ready to go to the oil and to put them in the oil and to fry them. So these are the festivals that I'm making with different shapes, different design. Shapes. Those are my festival. Some different shapes, different style. Alright, these are the two last ones. I'm just going to make two regular size round dumplings. Sugar in there. Makes the shape a little bit weird because I use brown sugar. Use brown sugar. Brown sugar is better anyway. Less chemicalized. Alright, that's the last batch of my festivals. Alright, removing the donuts. Rasta plat. Dreadlocks plat. So those are my festival, my Rasta twists, and these are my dumplings. And I have the donuts, I have the sugar bun shapes. Just trying to spice it up. Phase one of the dish that I've created here. So this is the festival. Finish the festival. Fish is about to boil. So we'll clean it up and get it ready for the boil. This is my Ackee and Saltfish. Jamaican style Saltfish. So that's my festival. I'm going to add some garlic and put this to the oil and then put the fish on. The other assorted seasoning, I'll add that to the end. I just need to get the garlic in here along with the fish. Alright, so that's the saltfish, the dry saltfish. Now it's wet saltfish, because I boil it. Get the salt on it. By desired stage, and then I'm going to add the bell peppers, add onions, the bell peppers, and then last put the ackee in. And turn the fire low and let it simmer down. I'm going to add turmeric powder. Spanish, we call it bacalao. Alright, looks like the fish is ready. Tomatoes. process by grace. So the dish is called Ackee and Saltfish. Ackee and Saltfish. Okay, you can see the seed. You can see the seed. This is the pie that comes in. And these are the 3 seeds. And this is the meat. This is what we eat. We eat only the yellow part. So you remove the seed, remove the pink lining on the inside, and you cook this, and then you blend it with whatever type meat you like, chicken or fish. Now I'm going to add black pepper. Touch of Scotch Bonnet pepper. I'm going to put my thyme. So, stir up, very gentle. Brown, very brownish. They have different color bacalao. Alright, so I'm going to leave there to simmer. So she can absorb the flavor of the fish and the various seasonings. Alright, my friends, so this is what she looks like. I could have used an extra tin of ackee. The ackee is lost in all of the vegetable and fish, so the ackee is not very prominent. So next time if I make this dish, I will use more ackee and less of the vegetable. So this is the final outcome of the Ackee and Saltfish dish that I've created here today with the festival. So I'm going to turn the stove off and then do a setting so you see what the final look of it is. Okay, my friends, this is the final destination of this dish here today, Ackee and Saltfish with festivals, Jamaican style. So you see my daddy cup over there with my green tea and ginger crystal, green tea and ginger crystal. That's my black tea for today. And here you're looking at my Ackee and Saltfish with festival, Rasta twist, and sugar bun style festival. Please like and share. Please subscribe and support us. Ackee and Saltfish with bell peppers, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and of course saltfish and ackee. Those are the two main ingredients. Ackee, Jamaican ackee, and saltfish, and festival, made with cornmeal, flour, and sugar and cinnamon spice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. See you in another fabulous update on the Vincent Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Have a great day. See you soon.